Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to build a presence on LinkedIn and not just a profile. So, if you want to stand out in your industry, LinkedIn is definitely the place to do it. So, let's dive right in. First, let's clarify the difference between building a presence on LinkedIn and building a profile on LinkedIn. So, your profile on LinkedIn is just a collection of information about you, while if you build a presence, it's about establishing your reputation and making meaningful connections. Now, let's discuss some key strategies to build a presence on LinkedIn. First, you need to optimize your profile. Make sure your profile picture is professional and that you've crafted a strong headline to capture your expertise. You definitely want to fill out your summary with your story, accomplishments, and goals so that everyone that comes across your profile understands your purpose on the platform. Just remember, your profile is your first impression, so definitely make it count. Next on the list would be to share valuable content. What I mean by this is to post industry insights, helpful tips, and then also personal experiences. So use a mix of formats when doing so. So articles, videos, polls, infographics, these are all useful mediums to help get your point across. I would say also consistency is key. So you want to stay active on the platform, keep your audience engaged. Don't be afraid to share your expertise as well. It builds your reputation and just kind of keeps you at top of mind, as folks view your profile. Next up on the list would be to share valuable content. So you want to post industry insights, helpful tips, and personal experiences. You want to use a mix of formats to do so, such as articles, videos, polls, and infographics. Consistency is key. You want to stay active, on the platform to keep your audience engaged. And don't be afraid to share your expertise. It helps to build your reputation and helps to keep you top of mind to your audience. Next up on the list would be engaging with others. You want to comment on other posts, so share your thoughtful insights on those posts. Respond to comments on your own personal posts as well. This will help to build relationships with connections or just folks that viewed your post or came across your profile. I also do want to urge you to connect with people in your industry. Be really intentional with this. Be intentional about who you connect with. The best connections are usually the people you've met at conferences or people that you work with. I say all of this to say engage with your network. Engaging with your network is essential for growing your presence. So, remember, commenting, of course, liking posts as well help to build those strong connections. Next up would be showcasing your achievements. So you want to highlight your skills and endorsements. And then you also do want to share those testimonials from colleagues or clients. These will go a long way these are folks that are publicly posting about their engagements with you and working with you. And so this is great information for folks to see before they even possibly talk with you over the phone or a Skype meeting or a Zoom call. Post about awards or projects you're proud of. Also posting certifications are key to optimizing your profile, especially if you're on the job search. All right, next up, you want to utilize LinkedIn features. You want to use hashtags to reach a broader audience. Hashtags are really best used in your About Me section at the top of your profile. I would also try LinkedIn stories and live videos to engage in real time with your audience, just so that they can keep up to date, understand, what the purpose of your messages are. Maybe there's something you want to promote in relation to your industry. Using stories and live videos on LinkedIn can be a valuable way in communicating with professionals within your industry. And also, can help to boost that credibility that you have on the platform. I'd also say participate in groups. This is a very underutilized part of LinkedIn. LinkedIn groups can be beneficial if you find the right ones. It'll help you expand your network and they're easy to find and also join. So definitely take advantage of all the tools LinkedIn offers to amplify your presence. So, to sum it up, building a presence on LinkedIn is about more than just filling out your profile. It's about sharing value, engaging with others, and just showcasing your achievements. All right, thanks again for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Also, I've included a link below to my LinkedIn optimization service. Check it out and see you next time.